Shane is the girl, dapat to.
Oh my God!
Ay! Ba yun, Tatoy?
Pag mataoy. Wala lang. To find her again. I'm just here.
Yes.
To tell her I love her. And I'm sorry about the things I've done.
Napapansin na, Ben. Huwag ka lang yan.
Agoy! Standing in front of the the only place in town where I didn't serve. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying yes. Boy, I miss you all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late.
Girl, dapat, Ben.
Don't you tell me so far.